Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt and today's cocktail I'm going to make is called a June bug, right? This is a fun fruity cocktail that I found on Facebook. Now, since I have a channel, I get a lot of drink recipes and ads on Facebook. That's all I get, right? So every now and then I see something that looks interesting, and this looked interesting to me. It's called, like I said, it's called the June bug. Why? I don't know, because Facebook ones don't give you backgrounds. But doesn't mean we can't make them. So here we go. First thing first, we're going to start off with 1 ounce of some Midori Melon Liqueur. So this is, like I said, a fun fruity cocktail. Vibrant colors too. Next, we're going to go another ounce of Coconut Rum. You can use Malibu or whatever. I got this 90 proof Parrot because give it a little more strength. You can use regular Malibu all you want, but I want a little more strength in mine, right? Just a little bit. So 1 ounce of coconut rum. Next, we're going to go just half an ounce of a banana liqueur. Like I said, very, very fruity. Just half an ounce. Next, we're going to go half an ounce of Blue Curacao. Next, we're going to go 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Just 2 ounces. And last, we're going to go 1 ounce of a sweet and sour mix. 1 ounce. Give it a good mix. I'm going to pour this directly over my eye. No need to strain it. And there you have it. A June bug. It's like a fruit salad in a cocktail, right? Because I swear, the first sip, you can taste everything, right? I taste a banana, I taste a coconut, right? The Midori isn't as strong, but you taste the pineapple juice, you taste all of that in one sip. Let me make sure I wasn't wrong. Hold on. No, I wasn't wrong. This is good. This is something would be great to make in a large quantity, right? Say you have people over, poolside or whatever, and this would be the little drink in the cooler that everyone's drinking out of, because this is a good fun drink. It's good, a lot of flavors, really, really solid drink. Anyway, do not forget to like, follow, and share. Did I say subscribe? Do that too. Leave some comments. Let me know how I'm doing. Cheers.